Investing in Bybit, a cryptocurrency exchange, involves trading various digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. Here's a guide on how to invest in Bybit. Create an account. Sign up for an account on the Bybit platform by providing the required information and completing the verification process. Deposit funds. Deposit funds into your Bybit account using cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies supported by the platform. Follow the instructions provided to transfer funds from your wallet or bank account to your Bybit account. Choose your trading pair. Select the cryptocurrency trading pair you want to trade. Bybit offers a variety of trading pairs, including Bitcoin/USD, Ethereum/USD, and others. Place your order. Decide whether you want to go long or short on the selected trading pair based on your market analysis and strategy. Place your order with the desired quantity and price. Manage your trades. Monitor your open positions and manage your trades using various order types such as market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. Set profit targets and stop-loss levels to mitigate risks. Withdraw profits. Once your trades are profitable, you can withdraw your earnings from your Bybit account to your external wallet or bank account. Stay informed. Stay updated with market trends, news, and technical analysis to make informed trading decisions and optimize your investment strategy on Bybit. Risk management. Remember that cryptocurrency trading carries inherent risks, including volatility and market fluctuations. Practice proper risk management techniques and only invest what you can afford to lose.